Good morning, all. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, any doubts from previous class?
Yes, sir. I have a doubt.
Okay, you can share your
Actually,
screen and take it.
yeah. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So last time, you said visualizer, right? You taught us a visualizer.
Hmm.
So the visualizer is opening for me, but it doesn't. It's not showing any of my projects. Let me show you.
Hmm.
Uh, See, it's not showing the option. I'm not getting the option one. Yeah. I could not compare the any of my schedule.
Close this one.
Hmm.
You go to your Win, click your Win key, select your Win key, then search
Okay.
visualizer. Hmm.
See, it's not showing.
Okay, open from existing instead of creating new.
Still not showing. I tried
No,
everything, but it's not showing.
even that second option.
Create new. I don't know what is the
Just
reason.
a just a minute. Okay, Subhash, this is purchased version or
Uh,
downloaded one?
it's downloaded one.
Downloaded one.
Uh,
Okay, I can see you. Yours is like 22. Okay, older
okay.
version.
Okay.
Try to download newer one now.
Okay.
Okay, that is I think 25 or about 26 I think, or
Oh,
25 is okay.
okay. Okay. So I have to download a new one.
Latest one. What is your version?
This 22.
22. Okay, maybe there is some bug. Okay, so
Okay.
download the latest one
Okay. Fine.
because you cannot update this one. since it is not the purchased one, right?
Yeah.
So try to download the new one, but keep all your XCRs, okay? Export the
I
XCRs,
okay.
then do it,
So
okay?
okay.
Right. Anything else?
Nothing, sir. Nothing.
Okay. Others? Aslam?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Or you can share your. Have you shared your exercise to me? Aslam and Salwa.
No, sir.
So what happened?
Sir, today evening I will share, sir. I'm traveling to another city now.
Okay.
I left my laptop in home.
Okay, right. Share to me as soon as possible. Okay. Selvaraj.
Okay, sir. I will.
Selvaraj, your exercise.
You want me to share the whole exercise, sir?
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
In
Give me a
WhatsApp
second, sir.
or through?
In our WhatsApp group, you can share the XCR. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll share it today, sir.
Okay. Okay. Right. Or if it is completed, you are joined in laptop, you can share to me right now. You can just share your screen and we can check.
Let me share then.
We have not reviewed this, right?
No.
Okay.
This is the first one.
Show me that resource loader one, I think 300. Activity ID 300, detailed design. Click that one and show me the resource. Bell shaped, 1000 terafall. Okay. Show me in resource assignments.
Resource assignments.
Below WBS icon, there is one more icon. So it is a bell curve, right?
Yeah,
3,
bell curve.
20, 20, 38, 38, 58. Okay. Okay, right. Go to activities. There is one activity you have to add constraint. Show me that one.
Okay. Constraint.
Yes.
Yeah, I never added any constraints. The text says it doesn't have any constraint.
No, there must be.
Yeah, it has a constraint I've added though here. Here it is.
Okay. Start on. Okay. What is your completion date? Can you move Gantt chart right side? No. So 12 October 26. But this project is it starting with the 1 December 25?
It's no, it's not in 25. It has something like 15 or 16, but I changed it to 25 and 26.
Okay. But the point is you should know how to make scheduling past also.
Okay. Then I
Hmm.
will change.
But still okay. Still it is a past date 1 December 25. That is okay. Because if you don't know how to change the date, the schedule will be start from the present date. Okay. It is
Okay.
not in present date, so it is okay. For me, it is okay, right?
And there is another exercise also.
Hmm.
This one, this one, and this one. This is the exercise that you gave. Here I've used that face last class that you taught us, like
ID.
activity, yeah, activity
Coding.
code, yeah,
Okay.
variance percentage. And I want to know what is this physical percentage completed, sir? We never activity percentage completed is fine, but what is
Physical percentage completion means wherever you have this resource or a quantity is filled, only that activities it will show percentage. Okay. Example, in execution activities, you will be filling material, manpower, everything, right?
okay?
So there you can see the percentage completion when you are entering. Okay. But in engineering
Okay.
activities, there is no resource or example, no resource and no materials, right? So
Mm.
there, even if you are updating, it will show 0. Okay.
Oh,
So
okay.
this one is for only for physical activities.
Materials,
Okay.
only for
Actually,
material.
you need only 2% complete. One is planned percentage complete. One is actual percentage complete, right?
Okay.
So for that, what the column, these two columns will not work. Okay. If you see
Okay.
this
Okay.
activity percentage complete, only activities it will show progress. In summary level, it will not show anything. You can see 66.7 is there in foundation, but overall
Mm.
foundation how much it is not getting summarized, right?
Uh,
So for that, I will tell you, insert these two columns. The column I'm telling, just go to columns. You can see, you remove this two, remove this two. Go to percentage complete. Here,
complete type.
schedule percentage complete. First insert schedule percentage complete.
Okay.
Then performance percentage complete. Yeah. Now just rename the schedule percentage complete as a planned percentage complete. Okay. Not labor unit, not labor unit, not this column.
Okay. But why it is so? Okay. Planned percentage completed, right?
Not physical. Physical you don't need. Remove it. What you need is performance percentage complete. Yeah, the first one. Yes.
But it's showing labor unit.
No problem. Just change it. Let's see. This is your actual percentage complete. Okay. Schedule is no. This is not
Planned
planned.
or
This is
actual?
actual. This is
Actual.
actual. Performance is actual. Okay. Schedule percentage complete is there, right? That is your planned percentage complete. So you can see everything summarized here,
Yeah.
right? So these two columns only you have to keep. Others you don't need that. That unit percentage, performance percentage, duration percentage, that is are not required.
So planned percentage and performance percentage. Apart
Performance,
from
you have to change it to actual. Okay.
yeah, I've already changed it. Yeah.
This is, I think, because of bug only. You
Yeah.
update your software, then it will be okay.
Okay.
Mm.
It's not changing, but I've changed it. It's not showing yet. Okay. But sometimes I try to change this baseline. No, the start date and finish date. Sometimes the baseline also the dates also changing. I think it's because of the bug. But after
But have you set the baseline first?
yeah, I've set the baseline. Then
Can you go there?
sometime yeah.
Show me the baseline. Project. Okay, go to assign baseline.
I've created two baselines here. Yeah.
B2, B2. Okay. Baseline is frozen, but click OK. Okay, baseline project finishes 4 July 26 and finish also 4 July 26. Schedule this project. Add 1 month, apply, select the second option, apply selected data, make it 21 June.
Yeah.
No, baseline is not changing.
Yeah, that's why I told you. Sometimes it's changing, sometimes it's not changing.
It will not change if baseline is frozen.
Okay, then how
And
to
if
find it whether it is frozen or not?
you see the completion date, it was before it was 4 July 26, right?
Yeah.
Now after scheduling, it's 4 August 26.
Yeah.
You just schedule it and you will know. Okay. Schedule in the future
But
date.
okay, so it's changing, right? It's not changing.
Baseline is frozen, it's not changing.
Okay, okay. It should not change, right?
It should not change, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. That's it. You can close.
Okay.
Selvaraj, you want to share? Selvaraj, can you hear me? Shai Prasanna Selvaraj.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes.
I haven't yet done the whole process. I've just started. I'll show you the projects. The projects, sir.
Move the Gantt chart. No, drag it. I want to see the date. Finish date, I'm not able to see.
Is it?
Minimize the Gantt chart detail.
Is it showing?
No.
No?
See, you can see, can you see the start date, finish date? Start date, you can see. Finish date, see the column, it is small. Move the no. Yes, just drag it right. So, okay. Can resource not added for this activity?
No,
There is
no,
a
not yet, sir.
resource.
Not yet added. Not yet added.
Okay, it's incomplete. Okay.
Yeah, I've just done
Mm,
the basics. I've not yet completed wholly.
okay, I
Within
thought you were
this, no, within the shift, I mean, within this class, I'll just show you all the finished.
okay. Okay, then okay, you complete it first, then share me the XCR file, okay? Through WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, can close.
All right.
So we have seen this everything, activity coding, issue analysis. Okay, can you
Yes,
see
sir.
my screen? Yes.
Yeah. We have
We have
completed activity coding. Yeah.
we have only reports left.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then today we will see the reports part. Mhm. This is our project, right? Deal of commercial complex.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I will show you one more time this one, okay? There is 2% schedule percentage complete, performance percentage complete. Schedule percentage complete is your planned percentage complete, okay? And performance percentage complete is your actual percentage complete, right? So now let me change this, then go to reports. Mhm. Okay. So there is some form of reporting in Primavera. You can see here this icon. This is for reporting, but we will never use this one. This I will explain how to do this. Okay. But we are not going to use this part because it is like, it's formally it is there, but we never use this one, this option. Okay. What we use is we will print this as a PDF. This entire schedule, we will print it as a PDF. Okay. Then we will give, but the way of generating report, it is different, but commonly, the name of the reports will be same, only that's small column inclusion and exclusion and some the way of minimizing and maximizing the WPS and Gantt chart modification. Only in that level there may be some changes, but this is the common reporting methods. Okay. First, summary schedule or L2 schedule. Okay. This is the first one. Someone outside Primavera, meaning they are not using Primavera, but they knew about they can read Primavera reports. That persons, they call it as L2 schedule. If they are calling L2 schedule, it's summary schedule. Okay. Then there is a detailed schedule or L5 schedule. Okay. Detailed schedule. This is one report. This is one report. Then critical path report. Okay. This is third one. Then 4, look ahead schedule. These 4 reports majorly we are generating from Primavera. Okay. And others, like manpower histogram and S-curve, right? That we already seen, right? That is also there. That also we can generate automatically from Primavera, or we can copy the data to Excel and we can make it. Okay. So now let's see how to create these all 4 reports in Primavera. So this is the schedule. So here we have one part, it is called layout. Okay. Now presently there is a layout here. Let me delete the layouts and recreate again. Okay. So that you will have better understanding. See, basically when you are opening the Primavera and when you are opening the project and you are working on it, usually this is the layout. It is already there. Okay. Classic schedule layout. If you click apply, so this is the classic schedule layout. Okay. Activity ID, name, original duration, schedule percentage, start, finish, float. This is where we have started everything. Okay. And there are many layouts all there. Okay. Example, this baseline was current. If you apply, this is another different layout. Okay. Baseline start, actual start, baseline finish, actual finish, and the variance. This is one layout. There are different layouts are there. WBS layout, classic WBS layout, cost analysis layout. Okay. Cost actual layout. But basically what we are using is classic schedule layout. Okay. This is the simplest form. Okay. Just come to this layout. Okay. So in this classic layout, make some changes and save it as your layouts, because what we are going to do make is we are going to make each one as a layout. Summary schedule one layout, detail schedule one layout, critical path report one layout, look ahead schedule one layout. Okay. So that what you can do, you can just go here and open. Okay. Here it is global layout, default layout. Okay. Here we are going to create our admin layouts, our own layouts, and we can open, instead of clicking this, we will click detailed layout, detailed schedule. So detailed schedule will appear. And if you click summary schedule will appear. Okay. So that will make our job very easy, because every reporting period of every month, let's say every month you are updating the schedule. So after updating the schedule, you have to make this summary layout. How you will make summary layout? You have to minimize this everything one by one, right? This is your summary schedule. But every time after updating, you have to do this. And when you are going to make a detailed schedule, you have to expand all. And for critical path, you have to do the layout for critical path, and weekly look ahead also you have to do the look ahead. Every time you cannot do all 4 layouts every time when you are updating after updating the schedule, right? So if you already prepared it as a layout, what you can do, just update the schedule, just apply the layout. You can download your report perfectly. Okay, so it's a one-time job. You have to create the layout. After that, after every update, you can just change the layout and you can print it. Okay, so you can directly print your reports, whether it is a critical path or it is a look ahead or other schedules. Okay, so now let's keep in classic schedule layout. Now we have to change. Okay, so in this report, what first I'm going to create the summary schedule. Okay, for summary schedule, I don't need this bandwidth this much length. So what I'm going to do is shrink vertical group banding, apply. And this coding, this ID code not required. Okay, so this is okay. Now the columns, like I said, I need performance percentage complete, schedule percentage complete. Okay, this one I want to rename it as planned percentage complete. This one actual percentage complete. Okay, and the alignments are not right, so let's change the alignments also. Original duration, center, start finish. Okay, planned percentage complete, center, actual percentage complete also, editing center. Okay, apply. And total float, now it is okay. And this is too much length, this much it is not required. So all activities are falling in this. Okay, and here also. Okay, and the Gantt chart. Gantt chart, it is month wise, so month wise is okay for me. So first summary schedule. So what I'm going to show in the summary schedule. Okay, I don't want to keep show all activities, right? It's summary schedule. It is for the management or the someone from the client management. So they don't want to see every activity. They want this a summary schedule. So shop drawing, total status, material total status, like that. Purchase order here, this one. And so this is summary schedule. Okay, so this is how I want my report. Okay, now I have to set the print area. Okay, you have to come here in the print preview, click here. So here Gantt chart is coming very big, meaning it is going the second page, page 1 and 2. You have to check horizontally and vertically, okay? Vertically, it is not second page, only one page, but horizontally, it is 2 pages. This is full Gantt chart falling in one separate page. But I want everything in one page, okay? So here I have some gap. I can just minimize this activity name, or no need to change this. We have to shrink the entire Gantt chart in this area, okay? That is what we are going to do first. Click. So fit time scale, okay? There are 3 adjustments. If you adjust this one, 100% nominal size, this area, right? This area, this will get adjusted. If you make it 80%, it will consume 80% of the page. If you make it 100, it will consume 100% of the page, okay? Then this is page alignment. Vertically, how many pages you, how much wide, how much wide you want, how much tall you want, okay? Wide is just 1 page, but tall is 2 page. If you give like that, accordingly, the schedule will get stretched, okay? And this time scale, just adjusting the time scale. Now, and time scale is entire full page, it is, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give only 20% of the full page, 0.2. One full page instead of one full page, I'm giving 0.2, which means 25% of the page. Let's apply, and you can see. Now if we see in this 20%, full Gantt chart shrunk here. So page 1 of 1. In one page, we got it all. Okay. Or you don't want Gantt chart, but you want this one only full schedule. In that case, what you can do, just increase this. Let's make it 120%. Okay. You can see here it is getting bigger, and Gantt chart it is smaller. Right. Make 50. Gantt chart is further hidden, right? If you want to hide, I will show you that later but this is how you have to make it bigger, okay? But before setting this page, first prepare your page size, okay? The paper you are going to print, it is A4 sheet or A3 sheet. Okay, now I did this setting. If I am changing to A3, every alignment will get changed. See? Now again I have to change this all. So first change the paper size, then do this 1 page wide, 1 page tall. This is how I want we should do. Okay. In that case, it will look like this. But you don't want this much big Gantt chart, so make it like first we have given only 20% of the page. I need Gantt chart, and this adjustment got reduced. It was like 100%, right? Before. This is the right one. Okay. So once you've done this you have to do here. You have to click here in page. You have to do this. Okay. If you want to switch to portrait, you can change it. Landscape, you can keep landscape. Okay. Then margins. This margins, it is a default size. You can change the sizes also. You can decrease or increase by adjusting this. Then there is a header part. In header part, if you see, my project name is coming here. Here the layout name is coming here. Here the date and time of this report generating time and date. Okay. Right. Can we make it this? There is a three areas, right? 1, 2, 3, 3 areas in header. That is here 1, 2, 3. Okay. If you want to change it, you can change it. This divide into just 2 sections. In that case, it is just 2 sections. See. Okay, you just want 1 section, you can change it to 1 section. Okay, everything is customizable here. Let's switch back to 3 section again. Okay, this even this title and all and time also you can change. Okay, if you want to change something here, select that section here. Okay, here there are different types of data you can feed. What now presently we have selected is text and logo. Okay, and you can if you select Gantt chart legend, this legend will come here. Okay, picture means if after selecting picture, if you want to add your company logo here or here, you can add this using this. Revision boxes I will show you later. That is for footer area, but header also you can add revision box. And images, and presently what we are having is text and logo. Okay, here in text and logo, if you want to change this to layout name, okay, here you want project name, here you want layout name. In that case, what you will do, select this, okay, then click modify. What it is given, project name, delete that one. You can select the variables here. Okay, see here you can select the variables. So what you want, these are all the options. So what you want is layout name. Layout name. Okay, click this, add variable. So it is coming here. Okay, so this is layout name. Click apply. So classic schedule layout, right? And you can decrease the size. This is enough. Here, this is enough. Apply. This is smaller. This is smaller. This is big, right? Now select the second portion. Here, instead of layout name, what you are going to add is project name. There are many options. Okay, you can explore on your own. I'm just showing how to do this. Okay, click the project name, add the variable. Okay, we want it in the middle. Click OK. Apply. Oh, let's make it bigger. Because the font size was very big, that is why you have to make this area bigger. Okay, and after this, I think 0.4 will do. Oh. This is right. Okay, you can change this font. You can change. See, this is this font color also you can change. It is in Times New Roman. Let's switch to different one. Calibri and black in color. Let's make it blue. And bold. Okay, okay, apply. Color is changed. Okay, this changes also you can do. Okay, and here in last one, date and time. Okay, how to add the date and time? You can check the variable. Okay, current date you can select, data date you can select, date. Okay, what they selected is date and time together. That is here. Okay, after that, apply. It is coming here. Okay, this is how you have to change the header part. Okay, so now the project name is coming here. Ignore the spelling mistake. It's updated by 31 Jan. Okay, now let's see the footer. Footer for part by default there will be this Gantt chart legend. Okay, that is what selected here. Footer also 3 area, and second one is page number of page. This is manually typed one page, then page number is a variable of they manually type on the total pages. Okay, this is from the variable they added this. In total it is coming page 1 of 1. Okay, this is how you have to add. By default it is there. You can change if you want. Okay, all right. After this, here, so here it is just the default one, and I will show you how to add the proper reporting. So instead of having this, add a revision box here. Okay, this is a revision box. In this revision box, if you apply, so it will look like this revision box. Okay, here what you have to do is, usually when I'm reporting, we will have this revision box and we will select the date. So what date we are doing this part? So 24 we are doing. Okay, let's 24 current date and revision or data date. Okay, what they will do, so this report is till 22 Friday. In that case, they will select 22 May 26. Then revision box they will give some updated by 22 May 26 or updated schedule revision 3. It will be mentioned like that. Unchecked by whom, approved by whom, the name. Okay, checked by Said. Okay, approved by Hussein. So this also you can add and click apply. So when you are submitting this report, this will be there. Okay, they can see, okay, what is the cutoff date? When they're seeing the report, what is the cutoff date? When it is updated. So proper index is there. Okay, so once you're done, okay, this is done here. Other parts, margin, header, footer is done. And in option, okay, this option, if you want to exclude this activity table, you can exclude by unclicking this, and columns and grid lines, this grid lines, and Gantt chart. If you want to hide the Gantt chart, just unclick and apply. Your Gantt chart will be gone. See, like that. Okay. Other parts I will show you later. And this timeline, your project is getting started by 5 Jan 25 and 19 June 27. But lot of area covered here. So time scale means you can give project earliest to project start date, latest to project finish. This will be the ideal one. Okay, so that you will have this part. Okay, or you can manually do. So 5 Jan 25, your schedule is getting started. Okay, so go to 5 Jan 26, right? 5 Jan 26. So 1 week before, instead of 5 Jan 30 December, 19 June 27, right? Go to 27, 19. So 1 week plus. So this will be the ideal one. Okay, so everything will be covered. Otherwise, your Gantt chart will not shrink that much. Okay, so that option you can do here by setting the time scale limit. Okay, so that's it. Once you're done, okay, now if you are printing, let me print Microsoft Print PDF. Okay, desktop sample. Okay, so this is how this PDF will be. Right, this is how you have to generate the report, but it is showing classic schedule layout. What we are going to name it as summary schedule layout. Okay, when we set all this, just close this. Okay, now go to this layout part again. It is still classic schedule layout. Whatever changes we are making, it's still we are making in this classic schedule layout. Okay, so after layout, just click save as. Okay, instead of classic schedule layout, change it to summary layout. Okay, then save. Now layout is saved. If you go open, you can see in admin summary layout is there. Right, this is how you have to change the layout. Now let's make the detailed layout. Okay, for that let's make changes directly here. The same setup, everything same, but activities will be detailed one. Okay, expand all. So this is my detailed schedule. Now go to print preview. There are 3 pages of schedule. First page, second page, third page. This is okay. Only thing is, now if you see summary layout, it is came, layout name changed, right? So only thing, I don't want this red line. Instead, I want the relationship line here. In summary, it is okay, but in detailed one, it is not okay. So remove that red line and add the, I am not able to see the linkages. Okay, okay. Now go to print preview. This is okay, this is okay, this is everything okay. So I'm not changing anything. It is already coming good. Otherwise, I have to adjust everything. Okay. So full Gantt chart is covered from project start date to project finish date. All activities are covered. So it's okay. What I will do, I will just directly save the layout. Save as. This time detail layout. Okay. So we have done this 2 part. Now let's make critical path report. Okay. Critical path, make all activities visible first. Okay, that is already visible here. Now go to filter. You can see critical here. Okay, so click critical and click apply. So your critical path, this is your critical path. But what will happen if some activity is not critical in the WBS, that empty WBS is coming. So you want to ignore the empty WBS. On that case, right click, group one shot, hide if empty, select this option. Okay, so if there is no activities in this WBS, it will get hidden. Apply. Okay, so now you can see civil materials, basement civil activities, ground floor civil activities plus MEP. These are all the critical activities. Okay, so this is the critical activities. So this one we have to make a critical path report. First page okay, second page also it is okay. So now what I will do, I will save this layout as
Sir, I have a doubt. Actually, you are saving a different layout by changing the name, right? You're changing all of the activity. If I want to create a new layout, how you can create a new layout? I don't want to change that the last layout. I want to create a new critical path layout.
We are keeping Subhas. What I'm giving, I'm not saving, I'm giving save as, which
Okay.
means it is getting saved as a new layout.
Okay, new layout. Now if I want to see the last summary layout, it will be there or
Yeah,
okay.
it is here.
Okay.
So if
By
you click
saving,
this one,
okay. So by saving means it doesn't mean you are changing that particular layout. It will save a new layout. Save as a new layout.
no. If you click save, it will be saved in the current layout.
Current
It will
layout.
not save
Okay.
as a new layout. You have to give save as,
Okay. Okay.
so that it will be saving as a separate layout. If you are giving save, it will be saved in the summary layout.
Same. Okay.
Mhm. Right. So this one, did we saved already? Critical path already saved, right? Okay. Already it is coming. Okay. Now, look ahead schedule. Okay, for look ahead also, look ahead we cannot do from critical path layout. So open the detail layout. This is your detail layout. The one already saved, it's already coming. Now go to filter. There is no default filter like critical for look ahead schedule. Okay, we have to manually make it. So for that, go here. Here I already have this 2 weeks look ahead. If I click this apply, I'm having 2 weeks look ahead layout. Okay, but this how it is works now. We have to create this one. You have to click new and you have to open the new one. Okay, then you can modify. Here it is 2 weeks layout. Okay, please screenshot this condition when you are making look ahead the schedule. It will be useful. Just confirm you note down or just take a screenshot of this condition. Okay, just inform me once done. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the condition is start within the range of data date plus 14 days. Okay. Activity status equals in progress. Okay. Here, if you want to change it to 3 week look ahead, you will just type it to 21 days. Or you want to change it as a 2 months layout, just type it to M. Okay, not 12M, to M. Like that you can do. Now presently we need only 14 day. So let it be 14 day. Okay. So once you have created that filter and click this one, click apply, and you have already this look ahead schedule here. Again, do that group one shot, hide if empty. There are many activities because next 2 weeks, whatever activities, only it will show that activities. These are all after 2 weeks, right? So that is not showing here. So hide that unwanted WBS now. So this is the look ahead schedule. Go to print preview again. Check everything okay. Then save this as a new layout. Don't give save, give save as. Rename it. 2 week look ahead. Okay, that's it. So you have updated your schedule. Now you want to go open the summary layout. Go here just, okay, click summary layout, apply. See the way we saved everything, it is there as it is, right? We don't have to minimize, maximize again after completing the report. And if you want to open the critical path, click critical path, apply. See, critical path is directly coming, everything red. Right? You don't have to open and give a filter critical, nothing. Same for 2 weeks look ahead. The condition, everything already given and saved as a layout. You have to open the layout and you can have your look ahead schedule, right? So then detail layout. Okay. Even if you are saving it's in a different way. Okay. This is different pages, different setup here. Okay. Everything will get changed. Okay. Right. So this is how you have to report. This is the formal report we are doing in EPC and construction sector. Okay. Now, if you want to print a S curve, okay, you want to print a S curve. So on that case, what you have to do is, this is histogram. This is our S curve. Okay, we have not added cost for many activities. That is why we are having small thing. This is our S curve. Okay, you want to print this S curve directly Primavera instead of copy pasting everything into Excel. You want to directly print from Primavera. You still have an option. Okay, so go to print preview. Go to file, option, activity table you don't want, unclick it. Gantt chart also you don't want. Click profile, apply. So you can have your S curve. You can directly print this. Even you can save this as layout, S curve layout. Okay. But for this, you have to, in details page, you have to click this one, activity usage profile. Okay, then you have to go to the print. And
Sir,
you
your
have to,
screen is lagging. There's a lag.
okay. Others for you also. Can you confirm, guys?
Sir,
Lagging?
there is a lag. There is a lag in the
Yeah,
screen.
a
Like,
lot of lag. I can clearly hear your voice, but the screen is lagging.
Wait. Can you see my screen now?
yes, sir.
How about the movements?
Yeah, now it's fine. At that point, it was a bit like it would
Okay.
have been, the network would have been down.
Okay, right, no problem.
Yeah, now it's okay.
So usually how it is, this is how we are updating the schedule and all, right? So if you want to go keep an S curve, you want to report S curve, okay? Click activity usage profile here, okay? Then come to here, okay? Here in options, instead of, where I am. Let me open different layout. Okay. So keep this activity usage profile here. Okay, this is what basically your S curve. Go to print preview, page setup. Just unclick others, Gantt chart and activity table, and keep the profile. Okay, then click apply. You can see your S curve here. Okay, but the date is not okay here. But the project date for us is 5 Jan to 19 June. Okay. So 5 Jan to 19 July. Now you can see our curve clearly. When you are having a lot of activities for a lot of month, you can have a very good S-curve here. Okay. But more, we won't develop like this S-curve from Primavera. If there's a demand, you have to do it in this way. Otherwise, better you do it in Excel. Okay. You can do a lot of customization in Excel. Here it will just come as like it is. Okay. So this is for the S-curve. So for the histogram, go to resource usage profile. Okay. Here, then go here and you can have your manpower histogram also in the same way. Right. Okay. This is how you have to generate the reports. Resource histogram also you have to copy from the resource assignments and to the Excel sheet, and you have to make the resource histogram and equipment histogram instead of getting it here. Okay, but I'm just showing how to do it here. Okay, in case if it is required. And this is the a reporting method we follow in construction projects. Okay, in Primavera there is some default reportings also there. That is, by clicking this report, you can see here there are a lot of reports, okay, default reports in Primavera. But this will be, it's not that logical to submit this report. Example, there is some report, see, resource details. Okay, if you want to submit this report, just click this and open and click run report, print preview. So this is the report. All of the report, it will be giving in this A4 sheet as a details, like see the resource ID, resource name, primary role, default units. Okay, this is okay. If you want to print a resource list, this will be helpful. Otherwise, it is not, right. And the other default things like anything looks useful. Okay, all risk. To run report and people. So risk one, this one, risk two. It's like a, just a details. It's not like data or there is no Gantt chart, there is no activities and the relationship on histogram or S-curve. No, you cannot generate. Through this report, you cannot generate that. Okay, it is there. Just explore this. Okay, activity status report. If you generate this one, basically the format will be a A4 sheet and some columns. Okay, this is how these reports will be coming. It is not that much useful. We never use this kind of report. Okay, if you want, you can just explore and you can create something also. The same way, just adding the column and removing the column. It is like that only. Okay, and check the default one also. If anything useful, you can use it. Okay, I'm not telling it's not at all useful. Maybe some cases it can be useful. Just select the report, right click and run. Okay, like I did, and you can generate the report. Okay, it is as simple as that. This is the default reporting system. Okay, in Primavera. But what we use in projects and construction is like we showed. We have to make the layouts. Through layouts, we have to freeze the reports. Okay. Yeah, that's it for the reports. When you are coming next week, just practice and create some layouts. Okay. Apart from these layouts, if in your organization, if they're using some layouts, just to prepare that layouts also and bring to us, so we will review, okay, how this works and we will check. I'm not asking you to generate this exactly this all 4 layouts. Okay, this is most common in construction projects to have this one: detailed schedule, summary schedule, critical path, and look ahead schedule. Look ahead schedule, the volume may change. Like it can be 2 weeks look ahead, or 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or 2 months, 1 month, like that it changes. Okay, but look ahead schedule will be there. It's a part of reporting.
Sir,
Okay.
look at schedule is like if you are scheduling from this from today to next year, that means the look ahead will be for that particular 1 year. It will take 1 week, right? 1 week or 2 week, like that, or how it will work
It is from your data date to,
from
let's say,
data date
2 weeks,
inside the
2
data
weeks.
date, right?
No, let's say it's a 2 weeks look ahead schedule. So from data date to next 2 weeks, what are all the activities need to be progressed? Okay. That is your look ahead schedule.
No, I'm asking like from start date to end date. From within that start date to end date, it will we can take the look ahead, right?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Right. So any other doubt in this reporting? Please practice this reporting. Okay, this is very important. It is like 50% of weightage for schedule preparation, 50% for reporting. Okay, we have done it in single day, but this is very important one. Okay, reporting is very important. Okay, so practice this one. By this we have completed our sessions. So what we will do hereafter is, you have to do something, then we will review it. Okay, if something is not covered, I will cover that. Okay, that is what we will do hereafter. Okay.
Sir, and apart from the construction field, do you have any format for or anything like for oil and gas field, for
Oil and
scheduling work?
gas, I don't have any specific schedule for oil and gas, but I think by default, in default Primavera, when you're installing Primavera, there is oil and gas
Yeah,
projects.
it will be there, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
you already
And
you need to
okay.
reinstall again, right?
Yeah. Anyway,
So
I'm going to reinstall. Okay.
just check
So,
that.
okay. Is there any other website to see a different kind of schedules or anything like that?
Yeah, in just Google, just to type XCR files for oil and gas. You can download many XCR files. Just import that XCR files in your Primavera,
Okay.
and you can review. Okay.
Okay.
You can Google it. You can Google and you can download some XCR files, building projects, infra, or oil and
Okay.
gas. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So, okay. If that's all, we can close today. Next week we can again join.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.